Let's continue our control flow section. Now let us see about handling options using if. Here I created a function getOption which returns option of static string slice. So the return value is sum of something or none. And I used this function in ifLet. In line 66 I call getOption function and assigns the return value to x if it is sum of something. So static string slice something is assigned to x and execute the true block statement and print x. Now we return option of string from getOption function and owned string something is assigned to x. We can convert this string as a reference by adding ref keyword within sum. In line 74 I return none from getOption function, and in line 69 we can execute true block statements for none value from getOption function. Now run the project. See the output. The first iflet own prints. The second iflet condition is true. So true block is executed and it printed option is none. And in line 72 we can check the return value of function is sum, and then once again invoke the function in line 73. So here getOption function is invoked twice. This is not good, but we have other way to resolve it. In line 73 we can get the return value by cascading unwrap in return value of getOption function. In line 76, we can assign the return value to a variable. Then I check it on line 77. If it has sum, then execution enters inside of true block. We can unwrap the result variable to get the value. Like the above, we can also check if the return value is none. And run the project, see the output. Now let us check if getOption function is invoked twice. Now run the project. See, number 1 is printed twice. So getOption gets called twice. Now let me duplicate getOption function some more times. Kindly note line 84. Here I call to function within tuple. We can have any number of function, but we have to manage it in assigning side. Here in line 84, we called two functions, getOption1 and getOption2, and the return value of both function is assigned to tuple of 2 sum with value, and we can use that option1 and option2 variable value inside of true block and check it by run the project. In line 87, not only we can have two sums, but we can have multiple options of sum and none mixed. We can also use result like option. Now I created three functions which returns result of static str as OK variant and also static str as error variant. Now I use that getResult function in applet with OK check and error check. Let me comment some code to make it easy. Okay, now I run the project. The getResult function returns OK variant, so it prints result is OK. Now I change getResult function's return type as error and run the project. As we expect, we got error result. In line 97 and 98, as we did in option, here also there are two methods are available to check the result is OK or error. Those are is OK and is error. Here I used is OK, and then in in the next line I unwraps the getResult function and printed it. If it is OK, so here also getResult function is called twice. Here also we can assign the result to a variable, and then we can check the value of variable is OK or error. We can also combinedly check two functions using tuple type as like before. We can also convert result into option and option into result. Here in line 118, result is converted into option using OK function. It takes only success as some variant and discards none variant. In line 1 to 3, result is converted into option using err function. It takes only error on none variant and discards success variant. In line 1 to 9, option is converted into result of str as OK and str as error using OKR function. This OKR function gets error as a parameter. In line 132, option is converted into result of str as OK and str as error using OKRLs function. This OKRLs function takes closure as a parameter, then returns error from it. We can also handle option using match, and also we can convert option into result using match. Kindly note all codes written here. We can also handle result using match, and also we can convert result into option using match. Here also kindly note all codes written here. Thank you.